Join me as I take on the challenge of using Buddhism to find relief from anxiety. Let's see if these mindfulness techniques really work. I'm excited to share with you 5 practical mindfulness techniques rooted in Buddhism that can help alleviate anxiety. But before we dive into those, let's talk about why anxiety relief is so crucial in today's world. We're living in a society where anxiety has become an epidemic of sorts. It's like a constant hum of stress and worry that underlies our daily lives, making it difficult to find peace and calm. And the worst part is that many of us struggle to find effective coping mechanisms to deal with it. We try quick fixes, band-aids, and temporary escapes, but they often leave us feeling unsatisfied, stuck, or even more anxious. Anxiety can be overwhelming, suffocating, and downright debilitating. It affects not just our mental health, but also our relationships, work, and overall well-being. That's why it's essential to find ways to manage anxiety effectively, and that's exactly what we're going to explore today, using Buddhism and mindfulness as a path to anxiety relief. The truth is, anxiety is not something we can simply eliminate, but we can learn to live with it in a more mindful way. We can learn to observe it, accept it, and respond to it in a way that's more compassionate, more gentle, and more loving. And that's precisely what these 5 mindfulness techniques can help us do. The first technique is called mindful breathing. It's incredibly simple, yet profoundly powerful. The idea is to focus on your breath, observe it without judgment, and allow yourself to settle into the present moment. When we're anxious, our breathing tends to be shallow and rapid. By slowing down our breath, we can calm our nervous system and bring ourselves back into balance. The second technique is called body scan meditation. This one's a game changer for anxiety. You basically lie down or sit comfortably, close your eyes, and bring awareness to different parts of your body, starting from your toes and moving up to the top of your head. As you do this, you release any tension, any discomfort, and any pain. It's an incredible way to release physical tension and promote relaxation. The third technique is called loving kindness meditation. This one's all about cultivating compassion, empathy, and understanding towards ourselves and others. You basically repeat phrases like, "May I be happy, may I be healthy, may I be at peace," and extend them to others, including those we may feel challenged by. It's an incredible way to shift our focus away from anxiety and towards kindness, understanding, and connection. The fourth technique is called mindful walking. It's a great way to bring mindfulness into your daily routine. You basically pay attention to your walking, the sensation of your feet touching the ground, the movement of your legs, and the rhythm of your breath. It's an incredible way to cultivate awareness, calmness, and clarity. The fifth technique is called mindful labeling. It's a simple yet powerful way to manage anxious thoughts. You basically label your thoughts as they arise without judgment and with a sense of detachment. For example, if a thought pops up, you'd say to yourself, thinking, or worrying. This helps you separate yourself from your thoughts, observe them without judgment, and respond to them in a more mindful way. I can attest that these mindfulness techniques have been a total game changer for me personally. I've struggled with anxiety for years, and it wasn't until I started incorporating these techniques into my daily routine that I began to experience a sense of calm, peace, and freedom from anxiety. One powerful insight that really resonated with me is that anxiety is not something to be fixed or eliminated, but rather something to be understood, accepted, and loved. Let's recap the 5 tips we've shared today: mindful breathing, body scan meditation, loving kindness meditation, mindful walking, and mindful labeling. These are simple yet powerful techniques that can help you develop a more mindful relationship with anxiety. Remember, the key is to be consistent, to make mindfulness a part of your daily routine, and to be patient with yourself as you embark on this journey. Thanks so much for watching, and I'd love to hear from you in the comments. What are some of your favorite mindfulness techniques for anxiety relief? Also, be sure to check out my next video, where I'll be sharing more mindfulness techniques to help you cultivate greater calm, clarity, and inner peace.